Mitzi. So, was it really your dream of becoming a P-pop idol? And what do you think is the hardest part of being an idol or a celebrity, ladies?
Thank you for the wonderful question.
Ay!
Actually po, for those who don't know po, I was actually part of a hip-hop girl group before. And yes po, and actually, for me, yung biggest challenge of being in a group, I think it's doubt, self-doubt. Kasi, grabe, kailangan po talaga ng commitment when you're in a group. Kasi it takes so much of your time. Like, if you rehearse every day, may mga workshops and all that, talagang ang dami mong hindi nagagawa na. And marami po akong kilala na napapagod na agad, including myself. I almost, nag-quit ako actually before sa group ko because I was like, it's tiring, parang the pressure, it's getting to me, parang gusto ko na lang ng simpleng buhay. I was like, na-burn out po. But actually, I prayed kasi alam ko po na nag-i-enjoy talaga ako mag-perform. And I prayed, I was asking a sign from God if like, para sa akin ba talaga to, ganyan. And then, eventually, tinawagan ako ulit because like parang gusto ba nila akong bumalik para mag-perform ulit. And I was like, okay, go. And I'm so thankful na I did kasi if not, wala ako dito ngayon. Yeah, and yes, and I'm not gonna be able to work with these talented people. And talagang grateful po ako na dito po ako sa Born to Shine because they inspire me so much po talaga. And they push me to really reach my dreams. And sobrang dami ko po natutunan sa inyo po lahat. Kay Zephanie, lalo po. Siya po kumukuha ng lakas. Ayun po, very thankful po ako. And sa show na to po, naisip ko talaga na each and everyone is born to shine. Yeah.
Ako naman po, I feel like, okay, so I started this career when I was younger. I started as a soloist. And being in a P-pop group right now, it's really surreal and it's different. Kasi iba talaga yung galawan when you're in a group compared to when you're solo. So, thank you so much sa Born to Shine, the entire team, for trusting me with this role and allowing me to experience what it's like to have this deep sisterhood with these girls and also learn from everyone here. And siguro yung one of the challenges that I faced in my experience is to wait talaga. Because I started 3 years ago here din po sa Sparkle. I was launched as part of Sparkle Teens. I was 13 years old. I was the youngest there in the group. And for a time I felt like I was really left out. But during that time, I used it to improve myself. I learned new skills, and eventually, when the time came that this show, I auditioned for this, I knew to myself that I was ready. So, yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Ako naman po, it has always been my dream to become a P-pop idol, talaga. Kaso, parang sa tagal-tagal na panahon, marami ng beses na dapat na nasa P-pop group po ako, pero hindi lagi natutuloy. And naisip ko na noon na, wala, tumatanda na ako, so baka hindi na ako hindi na ako parang 27 naman sa kanya. Hindi, pero di ba, yung mga P-pop group ngayon is yung mas younger, mas okay. So, ako po magto-23 na ako. At 23 na pala ako. Pero nakakatawa lang pong isipin na naging bunso pa ako dito sa role ko sa Born to Shine. And siguro, isa sa mga, parang nabanggit na po nila lahat yung mga challenges. Siguro, isa na sa mga challenges is yung teamwork and yung chemistry within the group. Kasi syempre, hindi lang kayo gumagalaw as solo, as a group. And sobrang blessed and thankful ko na nakasama ko sila kasi with them, sobrang dali lang lahat ng choreo, lahat ng pagod. Parang hindi ko rin naman na raranasan kapag kasama ko sila. Kapag kasama ko po sila and sobrang nag-enjoy lang po ako. Of course, sa mga nakasama po namin na veteran actors talaga na dati pinapanood lang namin ni Mama sa TV. Yun. sobrang kilig-kilig po ako. Every time na makikita ko po sila on set and sobrang dami ko rin po natututunan sa kanila. So, I'm very grateful and blessed to be part of this show. Yeah.
Bakit naman po yung huli? Naka-pressure. Pero, fantasy fantasy ko din po na mapabilang sa isang fantasy. Fantasy ko po mapabilang sa isang P-pop group. Actually, nag-attempt po ako mag-audition sa local company or also in a global company. For fun lang po. Kasi parang syempre, K-pop is a big thing for me din po. So, ngayon na napabilang po ako sa P-pop ngayon, pero teleserye, sobrang happy po ako kasi talagang triple siya eh. Dancing, singing, acting. And I'm really grateful to be able to showcase what I have, and I'm excited to learn more from the people na makakasama po namin. And I think sa mga challenges din na na-encounter ko is very practical, which is blockings. Sobrang importante po doon pagdating sa P-pop kasi kailangan lahat kayo kita. Also the levels ng mga hands nyo. And good thing na lang meron po kaming coach. Yes, Sass! Salamat, Sass! We love you so much! Ayun po, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, ladies. And next, for Chloe, Angelica, Aaliyah, and Migs. How does Born to Shine remind you of the importance of chasing dreams, no matter how big or how small? Parang napaisip si Migs ng maigi din
Thank you for the very wonderful question.
Grabe talaga. Pinapageant na lang ako, guys.
I believe. Siyempre po kasi itong Born to Shine talaga, tungkol po talaga siya sa mga taong nangangarap. At sa even if it feels na parang lahat against you, si Jenny ang malaking example na pagporsigihan at to chase your dreams and what you believe. So napakalaking sinashine dito ng is yung self-belief. Yung self-belief at yung pagtitiwala talaga sa sarili. That no matter what the odds are, even if it feels like you're not gonna make it, if you believe in yourself, makukuha at makukuha mo yan.
Wow.
So, hindi ko na kaya sundan si Migs. Okay na. Joke!
Ever since po nung bata ako, ito na po talaga yung pangarap ko na mapabilang sa industry na to. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa talaga na alam mo yung parang unti-unti ko siyang natutupad. Wow. Sobrang saya po ng puso ko ngayon na napabilang po ako dito sa show na to, sa Born to Shine. Kaya maraming salamat po sa tiwala. Parang dinededicate ko din tong character ko na to dun sa little Chloe. Wow. Na talaga nga namang sumasali, na parang parang si Jenny. Nakikita ko rin yung little Chloe kay Jenny na hindi tumitigil mangarap. Hindi kahit anong pagsubok na dumating, hindi talaga titigil para abutin yung kanyang pangarap. Yeah. Thank you so much, Born to Shine.
Hello po. Good evening. Afternoon po sa inyong lahat. So, gusto ko muna introduce sarili ko. Ako po si Angelica Santiago and I'm playing as Rami Chavez po here sa teleserye. So, nung una ko pong nabasa yung script, actually po medyo pumunta po ako sa mom ko and then umiyak po ako. Kasi po yung parang, naiiyak naman ako. Kasi po yung parang experience ni Jenny po sa Born to Shine. And parang nakaka-relate po ako ng sobra. Kasi nga po, tulad po nung sabi ng mga veterans, nag-start po talaga sa rejection. And pinaka-importante po, if you really want to improve, if you really want to shine, you have to accept your mistakes po. And with acceptance po, syempre, dun mo po may kita na nag-i-improve na kayo, ibigay mo na yung best mo, and then, for me po, nung time na to na nakita ko na naka-experience na po ako ng work with them, na-realize ko po na parang sobrang thankful ko din po na I'm surrounded by wonderful people po na with the production and cast po na who's willing to help me din po with my role. And ayun po, and with my mom, thank you din sa mom ko for inspiring me. And thank you din po sa wonderful creatives po namin and sa production. And that's all po. Maraming salamat po.
Could you please repeat the question? Thank you.
How does Born to Shine remind you of the importance of chasing dreams, no matter how big or how small?
Ever since I was young, I've always wanted to be able to express myself and be able to inspire others and make people smile. And with wait lang. And yeah, like being on this show, it really reminds me of my younger self. How I was born here in the Philippines and I moved to the UK, and ever since I was 4 years old, I've always been like, I want to move back to the Philippines. I want to pursue my dreams, like no matter how long it will take. And this show really reminds me that like no matter what goes through your way, no matter how hard it is, no matter what blocks you, like you really just have to go for it, no matter what people say. And yeah.
Thank you so much, ladies. They truly show us that, what sustains a dream is not only passion, but your grit as a person, your perseverance to go through anything and everything to achieve that dream. And now, of course, for our